In this video, I will show you how to operate the headlight controls on a 2006 to 2013 Chevrolet Impala. If you want to see any of the other how-to videos about this car, click the links in the video description below. The headlight controls are located on the left side of the steering wheel, controlled by a knob. To operate the lights, twist the knob to the right, or clockwise. The first position turns on the parking and marker lights. Turning the knob all the way to the right turns on all the lights except the daytime running lights. To turn the lights off, put the lights back in its original auto or off position, which is all the way to the left. To turn the lights off temporarily, twist the knob all the way to the left or counterclockwise. The instrument panel says that the automatic light control has been turned off. Turning it again will turn the automatic light control back on, or when you restart the vehicle. To turn on the fog lights, first you must have the vehicle's ignition on or started. Then press the button in the center to turn the fog lights on or off. An indicator in the instrument cluster will show that it is turned on. Press it again to turn the fog lights off. In an emergency, press the hazard button on top of the steering column to turn on the hazard lights. To turn the hazards off, press the button again.